square?
The Parliament! Itt van a Váci utca. Ez a Vörösmarty tér. That's the St. Stephen's Basilica.
This is called Horvath, which is basically mulled wine. What are we doing?
Pole dancing.
That's the chain bridge, one of the oldest in Europe.
This is our hotel room. Check out that view. This side is Buda and across the river is Pest.
St. Matthias Temple. Vasárcsarnok. So there's an underground subway, it's super easy to use.
A Central kávéház. This is the oldest subway and we're at the opera stop.
See how dark it is? It's like 4:30, it's almost dark, and it's actually freezing, it's like 25 degrees. It's a big church.
This is a tour Rudy and everyone loves them.
This is the Goju Ufar at night. What is it?
Polachita.
Sometimes when you go out with your friends, drink a couple bottles of wine, you're walking around in the cold.
This is the oldest church in Budapest. What's up everyone? Hope you liked that video. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Amanda Horvath and this channel is for business owners and entrepreneurs looking to grow their business using video. So I give you all different hacks of how to shoot on your iPhone or on your DSLR and what content you should actually be shooting. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely be sure to subscribe or check out one of these other videos. I'll see you in the next one.